Hi, everybody. It's Julia. Welcome back to Julia's Palette Studio. It's Saturday, July 27th. I hope you guys are all enjoying this really beautiful day today. Gorgeous summer day. I just wanted to pop on here real quick. Um, I'm getting ready to film some demos for my Patreon and decided I wanted to just remind everybody about the 3-day workshop I have coming up in October. That is October 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. It's being held at the Huron Valley Council for the Arts, and that is in Highland, Michigan on Livingston Road. So if you are, within, I don't know, Michigan, and you want to attend, it's going to be a fabulous a full 3 days of painting. So one day we're going to work on a still life painting with fabrics, um, with some patterns, and obviously we're going to paint some beautiful folds and shadows and beautiful color, because if you know me, you know I love colorful paintings. Um, Another day we're going to do a captured moment painting where you will paint from a photograph um, a loved one. Doesn't have to be, a member of your family, but, even a friend. Just paint a picture of someone doing what they love to do or just a daily, like, routine activity. And that day we're going to be exploring mixing skin tones, obviously painting the figure and painting the face. Um, and then another day, on the third day, I'm not sure what the order is going to be, but we will be doing an experimental watercolor. Those are a lot of fun. It can be abstract or it can be collage-like, which is still abstract. But that class we're going to use watercolors, but we're also going to mix some other water-soluble media with it. So full 3 days of fabulous fun painting. So I hope you'll join me. Again, that's October 22nd, 23rd, and 24th at the Huron Valley Council for the Arts. And you would want to contact Barb Weisenberg. She is the one, along with another beautiful artist, that is putting it on. And her phone number, if you want to write it down, is 248 787 1177. Again, that's Barb Weisenberg, 248 787 1177. The cost for 3 full days of learning, painting, having fun, $200. That's it. The workshop goes from 9 o'clock until 4 every day with a break for lunch. So I'm really looking forward to teaching this and having you join me. Teaching painting and watercolor is one of my favorite things to do. So I just wanted to pop on before I start working on filming the demos and just let you know about this. There's a few spots left. So don't wait too long because you'll miss out the opportunity. You'll miss out on it. And I wouldn't want you to do that. So I wish you all a really good day today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the workshop. Take care.